Cancer is the second main reason for deaths worldwide, leading to more than 10 million death cases in 2020. In Egypt, 166,000 new cases are diagnosed every year. Also, the state budget bears a heavy burden because of importing cancer drugs. Thus, it was necessary to start locally manufacturing instead of importing such drugs. It was hence essential to think of a drastic solution for such a problem by heading to locally manufacturing instead of importing such drugs. Establishing a factory for the production of oncology drugs was a huge dream for Egypt pharmaceutical makers for years, not only because of contributing in alleviating the suffering of cancer patients in Egypt. SEDICO managed to realize the dream, believing in its social responsibility towards the Egyptian people, who were the main motive for establishing this one-of-a-kind industrial edifice in Egypt. The dream realization started by planning, ongoing efforts and detailed studies conducted by SEDICO to ensure the establishment of an oncology drugs factory conforming to the highest international standards, which Egypt well deserves. To implement the project according to the best international standards, SEDICO Pharmaceutical cooperated with one of the biggest leading international companies in the field of oncology drug factory design and construction, which already established 63 oncology drug factories in various countries. The factory was established in a record time. On an area of 1,250 square meters, made of 4 floors, with investments reaching 1 billion Egyptian pounds. The factory aims at achieving self-sufficiency from the strategic oncology drugs and exporting the surplus to the Middle East, Africa, and East European markets, as it will eventually produce 70 oncology drugs. The pilot operation of the factory started in record time with a capacity of 10 million vials per year. In addition, sales of oncology drugs produced by the new factory are expected to reach 1,358 million Egyptian pounds over the next 3 years. It will also contribute to the provision of oncology drugs at prices 30 to 60% lesser than all the imported ones. Believing in this dream, SEDICO managed to make it a reality for Egypt and all Egyptians.